Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to see the continuation for the lesson 13, that is organic nitrogen compound. Today we are going to see the chemical properties of nitroalkane. First we are going to see the reduction. So reduction of nitroalkane. So first one is, there is an important application, that is the reduction in the nitroalkane. First one is nitromethane, CH3NO2, nitromethane on reduction with hydrogen. So again 2 molecule of water will be removed to form the nitrosomethane. So what is the formula? N triple bond O. So nitazo compound, nitrosomethane. Okay, this is the compound. Then again it will be reduction with hydrogen. Okay, so 2 molecule of hydrogen will be added. That N-methyl hydroxylamine. So how to write? CH3 amine, hydroxylamine, NHOH, oxime. Okay, so that is hydroxyl, N-methyl hydroxylamine, Okay, N-methyl hydroxylamine. Again it will be reduction. To form this methylamine. Okay, CH3NH2. So that is when the nitromethane, what is this compound name? Nitromethane. When the nitromethane is reduction to form the nitrosomethane, then again the N-methyl hydroxylamine, then what is this compound name? That is methylamine. Okay, so this is the first one. Second one. Okay, next one is nitromethane. Again this nitromethane reduction with tin, stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid, zinc and ammonium chloride to form the methylamine, that is acid medium. This is stannous hydrochloric acid, that is called as acid medium, that is methylamine. Okay, the compound name is methyl, then amine, methylamine plus 2H2O, that is acid medium. Then again this is in the base mean, that is hydroxylamine. So CH3NH2OH. So this is called as base. Okay, this is called as acid. Base mean, that is OH, amine, hydroxylamine, then H2O. So this is called as neutral medium. This is N-methyl hydroxylamine. N-methyl hydroxylamine. Okay, so next one is reduction of alkyl nitrates. What is the reduction of alkyl nitrates? What is alkyl nitrates? Again, nitrates. How to write the nitrate? This is NO2, nitro compound. What is nitrates? We can write like this: O-N double bond O. Okay, that is nitrite. What this is called as nitro, this is called as nitrite. Okay, so this is, so how to write? Nitroethane. So that is ethyl nitrite, O-N double bond O. So this compound, this is 2 carbon, that is ethyl nitrites. Okay, so ethyl nitrate, then H, when on reduction with stannous and hydrochloric acid to form the ethanol, CH2OH. What is this compound name? Alcohol functional group, that is called as ethanol. Okay, then ammonia will be liberated, NH3 plus H2O. Okay, so this is the another one. This is the reduction. These are all the reduction of nitroalkane. Okay, so next we are going to see the hydrolysis of nitroalkane. Next we are going to see the hydrolysis of nitroalkane. What is meant by hydrolysis? Breakdown. Lysis means breakdown. Hydrolysis, breakdown with this compound using the water. Hydro means water, lysis means breakdown. So that is breakdown of nitroalkane with the water molecules. So first one is CH3 CH2NO2, that is nitroethane. When here reduction with hydrochloric acid, then H2O, Okay, so when you are boiling this mixture, what will form? That is acetic acid, CH3, COOH, then ammonium hydroxide, NH2OH plus HCl. Okay, so what is this compound name? Acetic acid, acetic acid, acetic acid, ammonium hydroxide. Again, second one is again dinitro 2-nitropropane. So how to write? CH3 CH3 NO2. So how to 1 2 3? What is this component? 2 nitro 3 carbon means what is the root word? That is propane. 2 nitropropane. Again it will be hydrolysis gives HCl and hydrolysis to form the acetone. How to write acetone? So you can write like this. Here one CH3, C double bond O, then CH3. Okay. Then nitrous oxide N2O plus H2O. So what is this compound name? Acetone. Okay. Another one is no reaction. This is primary alkane. So this is hydrolysis can be acquired with the carbon. So primary alkane gives carboxylic acid, secondary nitroalkane gives keto group, and the tertiary does not give reaction. What is the tertiary? So how to write the tertiary compound? CH3, 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 NO2. What is primary? Primary nine carbon CH2 oda nitro compound attached to this is primary. Primary. Secondary means, so here that is CH oda attached against that is called as secondary. What is tertiary? That is single carbon. Carbon oda remaining 3 alkyl group, that is called as tertiary. Tertiary nitroalkane, when you are hydrolysis, no reaction will be occurred, because what is the reaction? So that is no terminal hydrogen will be not there. So that is the reason the nitroalkane no reaction. Again another one is how to write this compound? 1 2 3. So 2 methyl 2 nitropropane. 3 carbon means propane. Okay, this is the another one. So on the other hand, the nitrate, how to write the same compound? How to write the nitrate compound? CH3 CH2 then O N double bond O, that is ethyl nitrate. What is the name of this compound? Ethyl nitrite. Okay, so again it will be hydrolysis in the presence of alkali, that is sodium hydroxide, to form the chloropicrin, trichloro nitromethane. So trichloro CCl3 NO2. What is this compound name? chloropicrin. So here how to write? Cl, here Cl NO2. This is the compound, right? This is called as chloropicrin. How to write this IUPAC name? How to write the IUPAC name? So trichloro nitromethane. 3 chloro, that is trichloro nitromethane. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one is halogenation of nitroalkane. What is meant by halogenation? Halogenation of nitroalkane. What is meant by halogenation? Halogenation, addition of halogen. So that is this will be hydrolysis in the presence of NaOH to form the ethanol. Okay, CH3 CH2OH ethanol plus HNO2. This is another one. Okay, this is another equation, halogenation, addition of halogenation. So CH3NO2 nitromethane in the presence of Cl2 in the presence of NaOH. This is nitromethane to form the chloropicrin. Okay, so this is the another one. So this is called as halogenation of nitroalkane, addition of halogen. Okay, so the addition of halogen nitromethane with this sodium hydroxide to form the chloropicrin. But here that is ethyl nitrate. Ethyl nitrate nitrate நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம், hydrolysis பண்ணோம் அப்படினா that is ethyl alcohol, 2 carbon ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Okay, next one is Neff carbonyl synthesis. What is meant by Neff carbonyl synthesis? Neff carbonyl synthesis. What is Neff carbonyl synthesis? Again CH3 CH2 NO2 nitromethane, again put in the presence of alcoholic KOH, and another one is CH3 CH CH3 CH, then double bond N here minus OH. Okay, then again hydrolysis to form the CH3 CHO. This is what is the compound name. This is called as acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Okay, acetaldehyde. Nitroethane KOH to form the, what is the uses of this halogenation? Nitroethane is suspected to cause genetic damage and the harmful to the nervous system. So this nitroethane. So nitroethane, the compound nitroethane, the nitroethane is very toxic, genetic damage and be harmful to the nervous system. Okay, that is, it is very toxic substance. Toxicity means the compound is very toxic. That is nitroethane is a very toxic one. It is damage, cause genetic damage and be harmful to the nervous system. Okay, next one is, what are the chemical properties of nitrobenzene? Okay, how to write the chemical properties of nitrobenzene? First one is, what is nitrobenzene? Nitrobenzene C6H5NO2. Okay, so first one is stannous hydrochloric acid, right? So that is acid medium to form the aniline CH3 C6H5NH2, that is called as aniline. Okay, again another one is, it will be Zn ammonium chloride NH4Cl, that is phenyl hydroxylamine C6H5NHOH. Okay, that is phenyl hydroxylamine. Okay, then again iron and water steam to form the nitrosobenzene C6H5N double bond O, nitrosobenzene. Then stannous chloride KOH, stannous chloride KOH 6H C6H5 NH2 C6H5 N double bond O. Okay, so this is called as, this is unstable compound. Then self condensation ரெண்டும் சேர்ந்து என்ன கிடைக்கும்? azobenzene C6H5N double bond N C6H5. okay, so இதிலிருந்து ஒரு H2O வந்து வெளியில போய்டும். so that is N double bond N C6H5. what is this compound name? azobenzene. what is azobenzene அப்படின்னா, this is the azo bond, 2 nitrogen, that is azo. again another one is the same compound ZnNaOH, sodium hydroxide C6H5N double bond N C6H5. okay, so again it will be reduction with hydrogen to form the hydrazobenzene C6H5 NH C6H5. so that is hydrazobenzene. Okay, so this is the another one. Chemical properties of nitrobenzene. Okay, so this is the another one. Next one is electrolytic reduction of nitrobenzene. This is the another one. Next one is electrolytic reduction of nitrobenzene. Electrolytic reduction. What is electrolytic reduction? Again, nitrobenzene, electrolytic reduction. Electrolytic reduction, the hydrogen aniline C6 H5NH2 aniline, then 2H2O, then again reduction phenyl-hydroxylamine. So phenyl-hydroxylamine NHOH, phenyl-hydroxylamine rearranged again benzene. So here NH2, here OH, para amino phenol. So here that is phenyl hydroxylamine. Okay, so this is the electrolytic reduction. What is this compound name? Nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene. This is called as aniline. Reduction of this electrolytic reduction to form the aniline. Then again phenyl-hydroxylamine. Then again para-amino phenol. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one is reduction of catalytic reduction. Okay, using the catalyte, the nitromethane can be reduction. So that is nitrobenzene C6H5 nitrobenzene and reduction with the nickel catalyst. Nickel or platinum or hydrogen in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride is a catalyst to form the phenylamine. So that is called as aniline, NH2. What is the name of this compound? That is aniline, then H2O. Okay, next again polynitro compound, that is meta-dinitrobenzene. So what is dinitrobenzene? Two nitro compound present in the benzene ring. Right? NO2, here NO2, that is nitrobenzene. Again polynitro compound self-reductive, selective reduction, that is ammonium sulfate, NH4 twice sulfide, that is X, to form this compound when we are heated to form the nitroaniline. So here NO2, here NH2. Only NH2 that is called as aniline. So instead of NO2, the name is meta-nitroaniline. What is this? Is the meta position, right? This is meta position. So meta-nitroaniline, then ammonia, then H2O, then sulfide. Okay. So next one is electrophilic substitution reaction. What is electrophilic substitution of nitrobenzene? Nitrobenzene electrophilic substitution. Again, first one is chlorination. What is meant by chlorination? Chlorination, chlorine in the presence of aluminum chloride, that is called as chlorination. Lewis acid chlorination to form the meta-3-chloronitrobenzene. 3-chloronitrobenzene, chloronitrobenzene. Then again nitration 373 Kelvin. What is meant by nitration? React with concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid, right? NO2, here NO2, 1,3 nitrobenzene. Nitration means concentrated sulfuric acid, concentrated nitric acid, HNO3. Okay, that is called as nitration. Again nitration at 473 Kelvin. Nitration at 473 Kelvin. again to form the 1,3,5 trinitrobenzene. Okay, 1 NO2, here NO2, here NO2. Okay, 1, 3, 5. This is 1,3,5 trinitrobenzene. Trinitrobenzene. TNB. Okay. Then again sulfonation. What is meant by sulfonation? Concentrated sulfuric acid when we are heated to form the sulfonic acid, nitrosulfonic acid, nitrobenzene sulfonic acid. Okay. So here nitrobenzene sulfonic acid. Okay, this compound only, so see all this product, all the substitution takes place under the meta position. So that is all are the meta position only. Okay, so this is the another one. Nitrobenzene does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction due to the strong deactivating nature of the NO2. So this nitromethane does not react with the Friedel-Crafts reaction, nitromethane. Okay, this nitrobenzene, this is nitrobenzene. This nitrobenzene does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, that's all about this. That's all about this. What is this compound? Nitro compound. Next we are going to see the amine. What is meant by amine? What are the classification of amines? What is meant by amine? Amine again classified aliphatic and the aromatic. Amine again classified. What is amine? That is NH2. Okay, what is meant by amine? This is the amine functional group. That is amine is again it is classified aliphatic and aromatic. What is meant by aliphatic? That is straight chain. Aromatic, that is cyclic chain. What is the primary, secondary and the tertiary? Okay, what is meant by aliphatic? First one is CH3, CH2, NH2. This is called as aliphatic, that is straight chain. What is this compound amine? That is ethyl. Ethyl, that is eth, AN, saturated AN, amine. Ethane amine. So what is aromatic compound? C6H5NH2. This is called as primary amine. Benzamine. What is this compound name? Benzamine. Other name of this compound is aniline. Okay, again another one is secondary. What is meant by simple amine? What is this is the primary and next one is secondary. Secondary again it is simple and mixed. What is meant by simple and mixed? Simple means both sides having the same compound. So this is NH amine, here CH3, here one CH3. N-methyl methanamine. So here this is called as simple. Both sides are same. Here CH3, here CH3. So that is called as N-methyl methanamine. Okay. Then again, what is meant by mixed? Here one CH3, then NH, then CH2, CH3. So here two carbon, here one carbon instead of the middle NH. So what is this compound name? N-methyl ethanamine. Okay. So next one is, what is this again primary? Here also diphenyl N-phenyl benzamine. So here that is C6H5 NH C6H5. Okay. So here what is the name of this compound? N-phenyl benzamine. So here C6H5 NH CH3 N-phenyl methanamine. N-phenyl methanamine. N-phenyl methanamine. Next one is, what is meant by tertiary? What is meant by tertiary? That is only single compound. Again simple and mixed. Simple means that is CH3 N CH3 CH3. What is this compound? N, dimethyl methanamine. N, N. So here one N, here the methyl, that is N, dimethyl methanamine. What is this here? Again C6H5 N, C6H5 Here CH3. What is this compound? N, N, diphenyl benzamine. Benzamine. This is HY. Benzamine. Okay, the same compound. This is mixed. What is meant by mixed? Both sides are different. So here that is CH3, N, CH2, CH3. Again N, CH, CH3, CH3. So how to name it this compound? N-ethyl, N-methyl propane 2-amine. So here ethyl, okay, this is methyl, N-ethyl, then N-methyl, then again propane 2-amine. This is 1, 2, 3. Propane 2-amine. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Okay, so how to write? First one is 3 carbon. So the here substitution N-ethyl, here ethyl, that is N-ethyl, N-methyl, then propane 2-amine. The second position only, these are the attachment will be there. This is considered as a substitutional group. Okay, this compound fully is considered as a substitutional group. Okay, another one is the same compound we can write like this. This is the mixed one. This NCH3, CH2, CH3. What is this compound? Here N-methyl, N-methyl, N-phenyl ethanamine. Okay, so this is the another one. This is the classification of amine. Next one is nomenclature of amine. So next one is isopropyl. So here how to naming this compound? So that is CHN, CH3, here NH2. How to naming this compound? 1, 2, 3. So propane 2 carbon mean propane. Second position amine is there. So that is propane 2-amine. Okay. So next one is here CH2 double bond CH, CH2, NH2. So here 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the, how to write the name? 3 carbon mean what is the root word? Prop. 2E, 1-amine. Okay, so next one is the same compound H2N, CH2, 6NH2. This is called as hexane. 6 carbon is there, that is hexane. 1, 6 diamine. First position here, that is we can write like this, right? C H2N, CH2, 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 CH2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then NH2. Okay, this compound we can write like this. So how to write? Hexane, 6 carbon is there, hexane, 1, 6 diamine. Okay, this is the IUPAC name. Next one is the same compound CH3, NH, CH, CH3, then CH3. What is this compound name? N-methyl propane 2-amine. Okay, N-methyl. So here how to write the name? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So N-methyl. Second N again. This is a substitution group. This is called as methyl. N-methyl propane 2-amine. Okay. Again another compound is C2H5 N, C2H5, CH2, 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 CH3. Okay. So how to write the name? N again, N, N, diethyl. Here one ethyl group, here one ethyl group. So diethyl, butane. 4 carbon is the butane, 1-amine. Okay, again another one is ethyl methyl propylamine CH3 N C2H5 CH CH3 CH3. So here ethyl methyl N ethyl, then N methyl, here 1 2 3, that is propane to amine. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one is N comma N dimethyl aniline. So here how to write? So here N, here one CH3, here one CH3. How to write? N comma N dimethyl benzamine. Benzamine. Again benzyl amine. CH2 NH2. Benzyl amine. Benzyl amine or phenyl methenamine. So this is methyl amine. So phenyl methenamine. Next again benzene ring CH2 NH CH3 N methyl phenyl methenamine. Okay, so this is the IUPAC name of this amine compound. Okay, that's all this video. We can physical property, chemical property. We see the next video. Thank you, children.